Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to Madeline's Kitchen. And today I'm come with a very simple recipe. It's a eggplant recipe. Okay, egg. What is that? Brinjal. Dry. It is in the dry form. I'm using three main ingredients. Just focus on that. Okay, this is the eggplant which I have cut and put in water because it should not oxidize, become black. And I have here dry shrimps which I washed in several waters, drained it. And I have these dicotyledons which I removed from the flat beans. So with all these three it becomes fantastic. Now we'll start with the work. Okay, doing. I have put on the gas on a high flame the vessel, and I'll put in 3 serving spoons of oil because this requires little oil. You can put 2 if you are so scared to use so much of oil. Okay, and I kept this on a high flame. Once the oil is hot, you put in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts spurting, put in finely chopped 1 big onion and stir it, fry it till it becomes slightly brown. Remember, this is on high flame. Now the onions are slightly brown. Put in the chopped 2 small tomatoes I have put and fry this till it becomes soft. Stage, put in a little salt, not much because we can taste it later and see if it requires. I'm using dried shrimps, that's why. Okay, to make this seasoning soft, that's why I put little salt. Fry it. Okay, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and keep frying. Till all these 4 ingredients become homogeneous mix. Let the tomatoes become soft. This is the time to put in the dried shrimp wash. Okay. Fry this. After 2 minutes of frying this, put in the dicotyledon. It's the flat beans seeds. Okay. At this stage, I'm mixing 2 teaspoons of ready-made masala. This is Kolhapuri masala. It's called Kanda Kobra masala. You get it ready-made in the market. Okay, just 2 teaspoons is enough. Put in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep stirring. Every time you put one ingredient, you have to keep mixing. Now is the time to put the eggplant pieces. That is called the brinjal. I have taken about 5 brinjals. If you want, you can put even potato sliced in this, but since I have already used another vegetable, 2 vegetables and dried shrimps are enough. I'll check for the salt. Little more salt I have to put. I'll put some water and keep it to cook for 10 minutes. That's enough. Put a little water. It becomes a dry vegetable. So I'll put some water. This enough. 1 cup of water I put. Cover and keep. Now reduce the flame to medium. This is the ready-made kanda kobra masala. It's lot of ingredients go in this. I buy ready-made when I don't have time to make it at home. That's enough. Now you know this vegetable is cooking on medium-high flame. Okay, it's time for me to check if these cotyledons are cooked. Little more. I think I require little more salt for this. Okay, let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then it will be ready. सुकले असेच जाय भाजी पळया शिजले की ते झाले. I'll remove it from here. पुरो पडेले दाखयले. आता भाकरी खाता. जुंदळ्याची भाकरी 1 पुरो. My favorite dry shrimps. Ask Dada if he wants to taste. Very nice. Ask Dada if he wants to taste. Everything is tasty. With this tasty vegetable, I can eat 3 rotis. The salt also is just right. The pungency is just right for me. If you want, you can put 1 more teaspoon of chili masala. It depends upon how this thing spicy you want. And my dear viewers, this vegetable by evening, or if you keep another 6-8 hours, it tastes even better. Because always when fish is there in a dish, it tastes better after a few hours. Okay, bye bye my dear viewers. Enjoy this vegetable which is prepared with dry shrimps, brinjal and flat beans. Thank you.